Apple has introduced a free replacement program for all affected AirPods Pro users worldwide. Highlights: few AirPods Pro units may have problems with noise cancellation. Some users may also be experiencing crackling or static sound. Apple notes that the charging case is not a part of this program. AirPods Pro earbuds will be replaced by Apple for free following sound issues. The tech giant has confirmed that a small percentage of AirPods Pro units may be faulty and could be experiencing audio problems. These affected units are said to have been manufactured before October 2020, meaning all AirPods Pro units sold all through last year and this year fall in this bracket. Apple has introduced a specific service program for these affected users, wherein it will offer free replacement of the earbuds or fix it, whichever is applicable. Apple has published a dedicated page on its support site announcing the new program specifically for the AirPods Pro. This program covers affected AirPods Pro for 2 years after the first retail sale of the unit. It is applicable worldwide but doesn't extend to the standard warranty coverage of the earbuds. This service program will tend to AirPods Pro units that emit crackling or static sounds. These sounds are reported to increase particularly in loud environments, during exercise, or while talking on the phone. Furthermore, affected AirPods Pro units may experience faulty active noise cancellation functionality. There may be loss of bass, or an increase in background sounds such as street or airplane noise. These affected AirPods Pro units will be serviced free of charge. If a replacement is required, that will also be done at no extra cost. Apple notes that the AirPods Pro case is not affected, and is not covered in this program. If you're experiencing any of the above-mentioned issues, the tech giant advises users to head to an Apple-authorized service provider, make an appointment at an Apple retail store, or contact Apple support. AirPods Pro will be examined prior to any service to verify that they are eligible for this program. Once the technician confirms the issue, the AirPods Pro will be replaced. Apple noted that no other AirPods models are part of this program. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.